All right, so what is health? I think to understand really what chiropractic is, you have to understand what health is. And if you want to be healthy, you have to have a pretty good concept of what health is. Otherwise, you don't know what you're going for, how to get it. One of the definitions that I have seen over the years, or mental constructs, is what I'm going to show you here. So one of the definitions of health that the World Health Organization uses is something to the effect of health is a state of optimum physical, mental, and social well-being, and not merely the absence of disease and infirmity. And so what's interesting about that definition, it doesn't say anything about how you feel, which is what most people kind of personally define health as. It's like when they feel good. And it really looks at it more in a holistic sense. But there's still a lot of gaps in that definition. And I like this concept here that I'm going to show you. So you can think of health like an equation. And I'm a numbers guy, so I like equations. So it's like health is like wholeness plus function plus time. So basically, like if you have all your parts and they're working right, they're functioning right all the time, at least in terms of your body, you would be healthy. Now, you could have an environment that has stressors in the environment of any different levels, so the body could still have challenges and still have struggles to overcome, and things that could, drain the body, make the body injured, sick, or things like that. But those are like outside the body. In terms of the body itself, if you have all the parts of the body and they're able to work right all the time, at least from the inside out, it's like that person would be healthy. So if that's the definition, is there are some problems in that. One of the problems is not everybody has all their parts, right? So some people might have had something taken out, a gallbladder, kidney, part of their liver, tonsils, adenoids, any number of things, right, where parts are taken out, and they actually have a function, they're actually useful, and when we don't have those parts, it's like the body might not be as healthy as it could be if you had them and they were functioning correctly, right? Now, the thing with time is that, we could argue whether we can control time, but we certainly can't really change the past, right? So we can't go back and undo the times when we did stuff that was unhealthy, either because we were stupid or because we knew it wasn't healthy and we did it anyway, for any number of reasons there. So we can't get back the parts we're missing. We can't get back the time we lost. We can do the best with the time we have going forward. And that really leaves us with the function part. It's like, well, what controls the function of the body, or the functions of the parts that we have? And if we could influence that, like try to improve the function or maximize the function, then whatever parts we have left, whatever time we have left, we could really figure out how to get the most out of them, right? So that's what I want to look at is, hey, this concept from the inside out is about functioning. What is it that controls the function of the parts of the body? And we'll look at that in a different video.